to generate as massive income of about $80,322. So if you have not signed up already on Catly, I want you to go to your Catly account. Make sure you grab my link and sign up. And I'm going to show you in this short video how to generate massive airdrop income that you can be withdrawing every day to your Binance wallet. I repeat, every day to your Binance wallet. Catly is currently majorly listed on Binance as we speak, and as time goes on, they are also going to list more of these tokens in other major exchanges. But right now, you can be withdrawing Catly from your Catly token every day following my tutorial step. If you follow my tutorial step, I guarantee you are going to be withdrawing Catly tokens to your Binance every day, and you can withdraw and exchange it to USDT. It is going to go to your Binance account. As you can see, I have been staking this token for the past 1 week right now, and currently in my wallet I have over, as you can see here, I have over 1,083 tokens. 1,083 tokens. I'm going to show you my simple method that you can use to stake. Now, if you are signing up, you are going to be purchasing the pre-sale. I'm going to show you how to purchase pre-sale token and start staking it. Staking, if you are new to crypto staking is just an act of holding or locking your tokens in your wallet for it to be yielding you daily profit. You lock it in the company wallet, that is in the crypto space wallet, and it will be yielding you profit every day. As soon as your capital is still there, it's not going to reduce, it's going to rather increase. You're going to be yielding profit. It's just like daily interest. Your capital is going to be yielding you interest every day, and anytime you can unstake. And once you are unstake, your capital is still going to be with you. So I want you to jump into this update right now. If you have not signed up for Catly yet, make sure you grab my link and sign up for Catly and Catly for your Catly account. Then follow this video steps on how to generate up to $80,322 worth of Catly every month. I'm going to show you live proof. I'm going to show you live demonstration of how to calculate your profit using your Catly account. So if you're on this page right now, as you can see, I've been able to. Okay, let me return to my main dashboard. This is my main dashboard right now. So you can see I've been able to build my referral. So what it just requires is, as soon as you sign up, the first thing you do as soon as you sign up is to purchase token. The first step as soon as you sign up is to purchase the pre-sale token. And to do that, to purchase the pre-sale token, you simply click buy. You click here that says buy. It will open this the pre-sale buy page for you. So what you just do is to copy this USDT. Take note, copy it and send minimum of $1 USDT to the address you call it. But I will recommend you buy between $2 to up above. You can buy $2, you can buy $5, you can buy $10. For every $1 token you purchase, it's going to generate, Catly is going to credit you 250 Catly tokens, which you can start staking. But the minimum required for you to stake, I think, is 500 tokens. So I recommend you buy as from $2. If you buy $2, they are going to credit your Catly wallet, your Catly account with 500 Catly tokens. So you click on copy, go to your Binance wallet. If you don't have Binance, you can send it, but I recommend sending it through your Binance wallet. Go there and send minimum of $2 worth of Catly. If you want to buy more, you are free to buy more depending on your budget. So after you have sent after you have sent USDT to this wallet that you've copied, then come back here and click on take your purchase. You click on this button that says take your purchase, and within 3 minutes your purchase token will be credited into your wallet. You will see your credited token. It's going to appear right here. So it's going to appear right here. As you can see, I already have 1,083 tokens. So the next step, after you have purchased minimum of $2 worth of token, if it's $2 you buy, it's going to be 500. It's going to be 500 tokens, Catly tokens here. So the next thing you are going to do is to stake. Now I'm going to show you how to stake. I'm practically going to stake my own. I'm going to show you practically how to stake because I'm going to stake some tokens by myself here. So here, next thing, after your token have been credited, minimum of 500 tokens here, you can buy as many tokens as you like. You can buy $10 worth, you can buy $20 worth, you can buy $100 worth, according to your budget. So right now, after your token has been credited to your dashboard, you come here to this place right here, click on stake. Click on this stake button. You click on stake right here. Click on stake. Now, I'm practically going to stake my token, I have about 583.44.488 currently on stake. I've staked 500. So the one that has been on stake, which are generated through referrals and through daily staking profit, this is my on stake balance. So right now, I'm going to stake this. I'm going to stake 583. So the minimum you can see here, it says stake amount 500 to 1 million. So the minimum amount you can stake is 500. So I am going to stake 500 right now. So this is how you stake. I type 500. So this is my daily. This is my profit. It's going to give me 225 currently. That is in 15 days. Sorry, in 15 days, it's going to generate me 225 currently profit. All right, let me increase. Let me just take everything. I'm going to take everything. 583. So I'm taking 583. So if I take 583 in 15 days, it's going to generate me a profit of 262. That means that profit of 262, if I add it to my 583, is going to be altogether about 800, more than 800 tokens. So right now, every day is going to be generating me more than 15 tokens every day. That is about 17 point something tokens. So right now I'm going to stake. We're going to see it. I'm going to stake. So to stake, after you have typed your stake amount, you click on stake now. So I'm going to stake right now. So I have just staked. It says staking successful. You can see this is my total staking amount, which is 1,083. That I have just staked 1,083. So every day I should be expecting with my old staking amount, by staking 1,083 Catley, my daily reward is going to be 32.490 Catley tokens. That is every day. As you can see, it is currently yielding me profit. It yields you profit every second. You can see as the second is ticking, it's yielding profit. Your taking amount is yielding profit. So this is very, very great income. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. It's a per second profit income system. It yields you profit even while you are sleeping, 24 hours every day. After you have purchased your Catley tokens and you have staked, I've shown you how to purchase your Catley token, and I've shown you right now how to stake. The next thing is start sharing your link. Now I'm going to show you the amount you are going to earn if you can share to 5 people. This is the income calculator. If you can just share to 5 people, you can see in my first level, I have 54 people. My second level, 46. In my third level, 15. My fourth level, 12. And in my fifth level is 1. So Catley pays you on 10 level deep. From level 1 to level 10, you will be earning income. You will be earning income every minute, every second, even while you are sleeping. So right now, if you can just share this income opportunity with 5 people, this is what your money, this is what you are going to be making every month. I'm going to show you. I'm going to calculate the income right now. So right now, in level 1, you are going to be, for each person in level 1, you earn 3.5%. In level 2, you earn 1.8%. In level 3, you earn 1.6%. Up to the 10th level that you earn 0.1%. So right now, I'm going to calculate what you are going to make. I press the calculator. So if 5 people join Catley, this airdrop, this great airdrop, and purchase their tokens between $2, they are going to watch this video. So I recommend you send this video to them. So they are going to do the same thing that you have done. So now, when you invite 5 people, they are going to invite 5 friends, 5 of their friends, and it's going to be going on up to level 10. This is the income potential. This is what you're going to be making. You can see the dashboard. I've calculated my income in 30 days, in month, my income. So you can see it's $80,322. $80,322. Wow, this is insane. This is just for inviting 5 people that will invite 5 people. And I think getting 5 people, within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you have gotten 5 people because this system sells itself. Catley AirDrop sells itself because it is affiliated with Binance. So, and Binance is a very legit cryptocurrency exchanger. So right now, a lot of people are going to jump into this opportunity and they are going to thank you for it. So right now, I want you to jump into this opportunity, income opportunity, and do not joke with it. So right now, I'm going to calculate how much your income potential is if you invite 10 people. If you invite 10 people, calculate. So I'm going to slide the calculator here. If I invite 10 people, as you can see, if you remember, I have more than 10 people in my first, so they are going to spread onto level 10. So right now, if you have 10 people, it's going to be, you calculate right now, you click on calculate. Click on calculate for inviting 10 people. So you can see, wow, you can see the income calculator. I've just calculated how much I'm going to earn in by inviting 10 people. You can see wow, what you are going to make. You're going to see what you're going to make in 30 days. So I want you to jump into this update and do not joke with it. This is very, very insane. This is the power of cryptocurrency digital automation. It is an automated income system. So follow my footsteps, follow my video guide. The first step, as soon as you sign up for a fresh account. Once you sign up using my link or using the link of the person that sent this video to you, once you sign up, click on buy. You click on buy like this, buy at least $2 worth of Catly, and they will give you 500 Catly tokens. Now, after buying, you can buy more than that. You can buy $10, you can buy $5, depending on your budget. So right now, after you have purchased your Catly token to be sent to your dashboard, when you send USDT, Bep20 is the supported wallet at the USDT Bep20. Please mark this. Do not send to other networks. Send only to USDT Bep20. That's the supported USDT address. Now send it to this address, and then within 3 minutes, your purchase will be credited to your dashboard. You see your purchase here. So right now, after that, you come here and click on stake. Come here and click. As you can see, I've already staked my amount, the amount of Catly I have some minutes ago. So type the amount of stake token you want to stake to be yielding you daily profits for 15 days. Now, after that, what you do next, you click on stake. So after that, what you do is you start sharing this opportunity. To get your referral link, you just click on this and share with other people. Make sure you share my video so that they will watch these steps and start making money. This is a long-term income system. It's a digital automation system. Earn while you sleep. It's a lifetime airdrop.
All right, guys. Here's how you're going to withdraw your Catly tokens anytime you want to withdraw. You can withdraw daily. Now, to withdraw, you're simply going to click on your balance at the top right of your dashboard, and then you're going to select Sell Catly. Sell Catly. So as you can see, I have just staked my Catly some few minutes ago. So currently, I do not have any balance to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, you type in the amount of Catly you want to withdraw. For instance, if I'm withdrawing 1,000, all right, so that means it will calculate the value of USDT you're going to get, and it will send the USDT equivalent to your USDT address. As you can see, this is my USDT address. So by clicking on sell now, this is a buyback mechanism. Catly.io have an automatic buyback mechanism, which means you can currently, anytime you want, sell back your token, and it will be credited directly into your Binance wallet. So as soon as I click sell now, it will go, this amount will go to my Binance wallet. So right now, I do not wish to sell, so I am still staking. So this is how to withdraw, and you can withdraw daily any amount from I think $1 minimum amount from $1 worth of token. That's 250 token worth of Catly token. You can withdraw. It will be credited directly into your Binance wallet.
Now, this community, the Catly community, is fast growing and it's going to be very big. So it's right now your time to jump in and help yourself. Help yourself and say goodbye to poverty. I'll see you in my next video. As soon as you complete these steps, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. And God bless.
This system is worldwide and available to everyone in all countries.